Welcome back, guys. Today we are back with another problem statement. Today's particular problem statement is pairs with k difference. So what you guys can see, we'll be given an array of positive integers. We have to find the numbers of pairs of integers whose difference equals to a given number k. And if you see the array 1, 5, 3, 4 and 2, k is 3. So we have to find values such that the difference between any two consecutive values or any two other values is becoming 3. And how many such pairs exist, we have to find. So over here you can see 1 and 4. If you do 4 minus 1, you will get a 3. And there is 5 and 2, 5 and 2. So you will take 5 minus 2, you will get a 3. So every time I'm getting a 3, I will add this up. So I will get a counter of 2. Since one time it occurs, second time it occurs, the counter becomes 2. This is how the pairs with k difference works. Now this thing can be easily solved with the help of an hash map approach. What I will show you is a very easy approach, so you guys will not be confused. Okay, so first I'm going to put 1, 5, 3, 4 and 2. So 1, 5, 3, 4, 2. Okay, and I will put the frequency of each values. So the frequency of 1 is 1, 5 is 1, 3 is 1, 4 is 1 and 2 is also 1. Now I am having a given value k. My given value k is equals to 3. My given value k, my given value 3a is equals to 3. So now you can see I am having a given value k as 3. So what I will check is I will add from the first. Okay, so first my what are the keys? 1, right? So 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Is 4 present? Is 4 present in the entire hash map somewhere? Yes. So I'm going to put my counter value as 1. Okay, now coming to 5. 5 plus 3, it becomes 8. Is 8 present? No. So counter is 0. Now let's move to 3. 3 present. 3 plus 3, I will get a 6. Is 6 present somewhere? No, 6 is not present somewhere. So counter is 0. Again, now left with 4. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Is 7 present? No. Then again counter is 0. Now what I am left with is 2. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Is 5 present somewhere? Yes, 5 is present over here. So my counter becomes 1. Now what I will do is I will just do the addition of the two counters. Addition of the two counters. So it will give me 1 plus 1 as 2. And you guys can see this is how I can get my output as 2, which is nothing but the difference between the elements 1 and 4. 3 occurred once, 5 and 2 occurred, 3 occurred twice. So total number of times this difference is occurring as 3 is 2. That is how the entire problem can be solved. Now we are just going to go and submit our solution. As you can see, this is the hash map I have taken. I am putting the values inside. Now I'm adding with k. Every time it matches, the counter increases. Now let's submit. So as you guys can see, this approach effectively solves all the solutions. If the interviewer asks you also this type of question, it is seen in Adobe. And if the interviewer asks you this type of question, you can easily solve this. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.